Today we are reviewing Samsung Galaxy A13 4G LTE. The display size on this phone is 6.6 inches with Gorilla Glass 5. The display type is PLL LCD and the resolution is 1080p. The PPI is 400 and screen-to-body ratio is 20:9, which is about 83.2 screen-to-body ratio. The front-facing camera has 8 megapixel. The internal storage options are 32 gigabyte, 64 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte with micro SD card expansion. There is no wireless charging available on this phone, and for the device security, you can use the fingerprint sensor on the side or the face unlock feature. The rear camera megapixel is 50 megapixel with 5 megapixel ultra wide, which is 123 degrees, with 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensing. There are portrait mode for both front and rear camera on this phone, and the RAM is 4 gigabyte. The processor on this phone is Exynos 850, and the maximum video recording resolution is 1080p rear and 1080p front. The battery capacity is 5,000 milliamp hour with 15-watt fast charging. The main software on this phone is Android 12 and has no NFC feature. This was review for Samsung Galaxy A13 4G LTE.